Now, every year, the artists start from scratch with nothing but an intriguing theme. This year, it is Erase. And every year, without fail, I am utterly amazed by what can be achieved.
Erase historically exists forever in different forms. My intention is to enlarge even on other medias, and that's what really refreshed this project, and we are moving on.
I mean, it's amazing. Firstly, I think you're seeing artwork from people from 15 different countries.
Meeting people from so many places, and they come from so many different backgrounds.
Critical conversations that have been able to be engaged and shared kind of experiences and knowledge.
It's amazing how quickly you come to know the people who are here and to collaborate with them. It's an incredibly intense couple of weeks. You arrive and all of a sudden it's boat rides and Hawport Village and going up lots of escalators and lots of really intense input, and then all of a sudden it's like, okay, make work.
Well, I think visitors are in for a really big surprise, because I think that's all of the artists are kind of surprised of what they did.
Firstly, it's just a very enriching experience and quite illuminating to be with people from all around the world.
It's a really incredibly challenging
Learning the unexpected.
For new and bold artistic ideas.
An insane, sweaty mess that creates an insane, sweaty community.